Welcome back to the Montana Mechanic. I am Sean, and I got a new project for us. Actually, somebody else has got a new project that he is going to be learning on. We have right here a 1986 Chevrolet Corvette C4 that we picked up a little while ago. That's why it's taking so long. It's going to need some work, but for somebody who's just learning, like somebody who wants to try to get into this or just learn basic maintenance, this is a perfect car for it. We picked it up so him to learn. But no, the 1986, we have automatic that is mostly in fairly good shape. Like most wear and tear, you know, somebody's been modifying it. But it ain't too bad. We picked it up fairly cheap, like most of the early C4s. But the only reason why we got to do this is because this has a bad motor. Guy who we picked it up from had a going down the road, all of a sudden lost oil pressure, and it took him about half mile to a mile to get off to the side of the road to shut it off safely, get it off the side of the road. By that time, it started to knock on him, so you let it set, didn't have the time to come around and start doing motor work, and then he started selling it. So we picked it up. So this here, oh, it got closed on that side. You want to pick that side up, Zach? Yeah. Has the standard 350 on it. Good old tune port. Early enough. Fuel injection that they did pretty good in horsepower. And if you guys notice, that does have some aftermarket little goodies on it, like exhaust, some tune, and of course, open that up, get that, and AC delete. But since we live in Montana, that might go put back in later on. And heater delete that they did, that needs to be fixed, and a couple other little things. But this is a nice little project for them. We know it's got a bad motor in it. We tried starting it up before when we first got it, and you can hear the rattle just knock. We're not going to start it and run it until we don't want to take out a rod and put it through the side of the block. But with the oil and stuff, if it would like to focus, on here, you in the right light, you can see a little bit of silver in it. Might be setting too much where you can't see it anymore, but I can feel the little bit of grit in it. So we know it's got that. So have us come and do it. We're going to get this motor pulled, probably not today, but this is a good little introduction to this. If I can get that stupid dipstick back in. Go and do this. So we're going to get it up in the air, get the wheels and stuff off, and just start getting it set up. And just like that.
Step and pull at the same time. Okay, you got that one? I'll test it. You got one more, but you don't know which one it is.
I think there's missing a lug on that one.
One right here. Oh, it's missing one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that one's missing a lug.
I didn't know that. I didn't look.
Yeah, that one's missing a lug.
Missing?
Yeah, missing.
One on each corner, huh?
Actually, it looks like that one's missing.
Huh.
And that one's got 05, so. But those are not that bad. So we get to teach him how to do tires for his first time. Keep on going. Just like that, it popped.
Push hard.
Or you just readjust it, Zach.
No, you don't have leverage when you got your hands that close to the center.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, we'll teach him how to do it by hand first, like everybody should. Yeah, you can hang of it. It's your turn there, Lynn.
No, you did that good.
Hey, camera. So we were taking off some of the lug nuts. We knew some of them were being really loose. But yeah, somebody at one time didn't put the right lug nut wrench on it and stripped it. Some of these are just so bad. Mushroom go over.
You got something to put that in?
Yeah. So, yeah. All the little things when you do projects, right? So, yeah. But, yeah, I don't think we're going to have to replace the exhaust. We're going to have to cut the exhaust in spots. But, it ain't too bad. But this has got the rear-wheel drive. You got a drive line and U-joints on here. It's got an independent suspension on it. So, you have a big wishbone on the back. If you look here, Zach. I mean, look. You see the big wishbone back there? Where the light's at? That gives it the spring tension onto it. But then you have your control arm bushings, control arms here to help for the up and down. Then you have a control arm, or a tie rod end to help keep it straight for this way. So you get straight going down the road. So you got that. Those rubbers and stuff, they just wear out. It's just rubber, Zach. That's just normal wear and tear for being over top. But it looks like it's got fairly new, maybe bearings in this? What do you guys think? New bearings, maybe? But yeah, same thing on the front. But this is just got your normal control arms, upper and lower. You have your ball joints, up and lower. That helps with that way. But yeah, pretty much all cars, new cars, everything else has got independent front suspension. They will have wear items. It's a wear item. Yes, it's money, but it's a wear item. So, got that. We're going over here, working on the car. Yeah, definitely need to do brakes and stuff on this. Yeah, bushings, all the rubber components. But the initial, so far, ain't too bad. But yeah. Where did Grandpa put that creeper at? I just put my light. Ah. Typical, always losing something, right? At least it's not 10 millimeters. Alright, let's see here. What do we got here? Missing the exhaust bolts for the headers. Oil. That's oil. That ain't too bad. Maybe less the rear main, maybe? I lost the oil pressure. Look at that oil filter. Holy crap. The oil filter's seen better days. So it might have been an older filter. Or it's never been changed. Oh. But you guys see anything? Doesn't look like it's been hit in the front end. Huh? Yeah, it says it's got halfway decent exhaust under here. Some long tubes and little 700 R4. Exhaust clamp shoved in between the got that. Yeah, floor was looking good. Warp pans should be, they're all mostly fiberglass. Big old fiberglass tub. Yeah. Fuel filter's been changed not too long ago. Yeah. No surprises. Ugh. Well, let's see here. See, I think it's good. No surprises there. Yeah, that looks really, feels really good. Might have to put new U-joints in it, but little exhaust leaks. X pipe. I took the cats out of it. No catalytic converters in this one. So the cat-free car. Oh, someone didn't do a good well job. Dirt. Bushings. Lots of spider webs. Let's see here. Pretty good. Oh, those feel good. Let's see this one. That feels good. Yeah. It's like a pretty solid car. Oh, there's limited slip tag. Let's see here. Right there. There's a limited slip tag. Only use limited slip differential fluid. Limited slip fluid only. So, alrighty. Oh, she's still got the spare tire in it. Well, that's always a plus. Will it work? Yeah, you never know. But other than that, it looks like it's ever been hit or any front damage. So so alrighty, we'll keep on going, and we'll probably end this video here until we know what's going on. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Somebody's going to be learning some more stuff. Where he ran off to. Gotta keep his attention, right? So, alright. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.